Welcome back. Government had to face High Court strictures on Tuesday for public prosecutors' absence. The High Court showed resentment over non-availability of any public prosecutor during hearing on Tuesday. The bench observed it is sorry state of affairs that even after having 4 public prosecutors, none is appearing to present state's side. The court issued directions to the Advocate General to make sure that such situation does not arise again.
Tuesday was the last working of the High Court this calendar year. An accused had filed a petition seeking extension of his bail. When the court took up the plea for hearing, none of the public prosecutor appeared to present stateside. While granting ex parte bail, the bench made very strict observations. The High Court observed it's a sorry state of affairs that even after having 4 public prosecutors, none is appearing to present stateside. The court also observed seems that Christmas vacations for public prosecutors have started much before court's vacations. The court issued directions to the Advocate General, who was also not present before the court, to make sure that such situation does not arise again. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now swim fearlessly in the Goan waters. State Tourism Department with Drishti Special Response Services will demarcate swimming zones on Goan beaches. Drishti will mark swimming zones with the visible floaters in the water. The current service provider Drishti Special Response Services Private Limited has bagged new beach safety contract for the next 5 years. Procedure will be complete by the end of this month.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parolekar informed that Drishti was the lowest bidder as compared to the other 2 bidding companies. Drishti quoted 28.30 crore per year for providing water patrol lifeguarding along the 105-kilometer coastline compared to BVG India Private Limited, who quoted 32.38 crore, and Super Coasts Industries quoted 29.99 crores. Dilip Parolekar informed that for the first time there will be swimming zones for safety of the tourists.
Swimming zone, water sport zone, एका व्हडले फ्लोटर घालून हे सगळी सर्विस दिवप अशें ह्या नव्या टेंडरान आसा. म्हणून हे टेंडर परत करचे पडले आणि त्या प्रमाणे ते टेंडर हे दृष्टीक गेल्ले आसा. पण हेंच्यांनी तिगांयनी रेट कोट केले आणि ताच्या भितर दृष्टी ही कंपनी लोवस्ट जाल्ली आसा.
As per the conditions, Drishti intends to hike salaries of lifeguards. They have also agreed to provide lifeguards at additional coastal areas and at Dudhsagar waterfall too.
ते 10,500 तांकां मिनिमम आता नव्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टा प्रमाणे तांकां 10,500 मेळपाक जाय. म्हणजे आता सॅलरी वाडून ऑफकोर्स आमी त्या प्रमाणे हेतूर आमच्या टेंडरान प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा आनी मिनिमम 10,500 प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी तांकां दिवपाक जाय. कितल्या वर्सां दूधसागर हे असले जे हे आसा आमचे स्वीट वॉटर धबधबे बी आहा ते वाडयल्ले आसा.
Mahesh Gadi with Sushant Pol for Prudent.
Goa defeated Kerala by 3 wickets in Ranji Trophy on Wednesday. Goa required 97 runs with 5 wickets in hand on the final day. Harshad Gadekar Shadab Jakati guided Goa home after the hosts had lost 2 wickets. With this victory, Goa stay in the hunt to qualify the quarterfinals. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.